go to the art department here at the channel, and I had the art department work up a rendering of maybe kind of. Welcome back to the Workbench, where we try to make things. And what we're starting to try to make today is the 10,000 subscribers celebration build, or what I think we'll just call celebration build, just to keep it a little shorter. We're going to start working on that today. In fact, we have 4 that we're going to be doing, but we have one in particular that we're going to start with, and that's the one from Mars Garage, which is going to be a patinaed shop truck. And I reached out to him, or he reached out to me, I should say, about what kind of shop truck he would like to have, and he said, it's up to you. He's leaving it up to me. Maybe his biggest mistake, but that's what he told me. So that's what I'm going to do. We're going to build him my dream shop truck, or what I would do for a shop truck, but for Mars Garage. And what we're going to start with as a base, I think, is this 1955 Chevy Cameo. I was able to pick this up on eBay for a pretty good price, and it seems to all be here. Even the little refrigerator and hand truck thing, but all the parts are plastic and still in plastic here. So I think it's a pretty good deal. I'm not going to unbox this. It's out. Well, here's the unboxing. It's full of plastic, but that's not what we're really concerned with today. What we're concerned with today is what are we going to do with this? Because we're not going to just build this Coca-Cola truck. That wouldn't make any sense. No, we're going to do a patinaed truck, or a patinaed shop truck. And I think we're going to do what's really popular today, and what I actually really like. And again, if I was building me a shop truck, what I would do is that natural patina that's been cleared and is now slammed on the ground, sitting on 22s or whatever. We'll probably do it a static ride height. I don't know. We'll figure that out yet, whether we're going to put it on airbags or just have it static. But that's the look we're going to go for. So I went to the research department and had them look up some images so I can kind of show you guys kind of what we're talking about. And they found multiple different images for me, which all look good. And I like how they all look. But what's kind of strange to me was they're all kind of blue or aqua, like they're almost the same color. It seems to be a very popular color, that blue, aqua, and blue colors. So we might do a different color, but I did go to the art department here at the channel, and I had the art department work up a rendering of maybe kind of something we can come close to. So this is what they came up with, which I kind of like. Again, I don't know if that's necessarily the color we will be using. I mean, maybe it will be. I don't know. Obviously, Mars Garage has final say. If they, by the way, let me know down in the comments if you'd like to see something a different color or do something completely different. Just let me know down there. But I think this is kind of something we're going to go with. They did, the art department did add some side chrome to it, which I kind of like. I think I'll probably not break it across the logo. We might try to just run it all the way down the side, or maybe just on the bed itself. I do like that. I do like that added little flare, I guess we could say. So we might do some things of that nature. I think we're going to keep the interior very stock, but modern. I don't know how to say that. So it's going to look stock, but be modern. That makes sense. I think that's the idea. I'd like to go there. And again, with a heavy patina, this has just been cleared. So, and I think for the logo on the side and the writing down the bed, the Mars Garage down the bed, I'm going to try to probably hand paint those so we can give it that hand painted look. Patina, do a hand painted patina look, like it's that fake. I want it to look like it was painted on there to look patinaed, right? So in other words, we had the truck, we found this truck, natural patina, we cleared it to kind of encapsulate that patina, and now we've painted the logo for the garage, the Mars Garage, and all that on there to match that patina. And I think I'm going to try to do that by hand and then clear over that. That's the idea. We'll see if we can pull it off. But that's the idea. The only other things is we've got wheels and tires, and I like the wheels and tires in the rendering. I don't know if that's exactly what they'll be, but something of that nature that will be big, and we'll probably have to expand the fender flares, or the fender openings, I should say. We'll probably have to flare the fender openings a little bit. We do want the car to be able to steer, so if we have it low and static, we'll probably have to move the wheels inboard a little bit, and then we do want it to be able to at least have something of a turning radius, so we'll probably have to open up the wheel wells, or the fender openings. There we go. And then drivetrain. And I'm not sure on the drivetrain. In fact, I'd love to hear ideas down in the comments section. I mean, I guess what everybody would probably do is do an LS swap. So I think what most people would do is either go with the stock engine, just have that little stock engine in it, LS swap. I want to try to do something different. I don't know what that is at the moment. I would like to do something. I would actually like to go to a modern drivetrain, modern transmission. So, all your running gear, the truck is modern, the whole, what do you call them, resto mods or whatever, the ones that everything's modernized. So, it'll have sat nav and all that kind of stuff. But for the drivetrain, something modern. I don't know. I'm gonna have to really think about what I want to do for that, because it is a shop truck. So you would think, it'd be hauling, it hauls. You would have to be able to tow stuff, haul stuff. Do we put a diesel in it? Do we put or do we, you would think you would want it to be a torquey type drivetrain. I don't know. Let me know your ideas down in the comments section. I'd love to hear what all you guys have to say. Would definitely love to hear what Mars Garage has to say, what they'd like to see as far as the drivetrain. But this is what we're starting with. This is where it's going to start, and this is something like what it's going to end like. Something like that rendering. Everything changes. You know how it works around here. Things will change. Things will get made more complicated, I'm sure, but that's fine. I want to make sure what I want to do is build this exactly how I would want it. When I say that, I mean quality-wise, not exactly necessarily obviously, I wouldn't put Mars Garage logo on the side of my, you follow me. The quality, I want to be exactly how I would want it, so that Mars Garage gets the best build they can possibly have. And then we'll be working on 3 more of them also. We've got 3 more celebration builds we're going to be doing with the exact same philosophy. I'm going to build them to the quality that would only be accepted by me, so that when they get them, they get, well, what the best I can do is, at least. Anyways, let me know what you think down in the comment section. Give me all those ideas. I definitely need ideas for drivetrain. If you have ideas on the truck, obviously everything at the end of the day is going to get okayed by Mars Garage. This is his shop truck. We are building it for him. So at the end of the day, everything needs to be passed through him first. But again, thank you to Mars Garage for the support. So thank you to all you guys for the support. The celebration builds are going to be a lot of fun. I'm excited to get started with them. I'm excited to get started with this one. So let me know what you think down in the comment section. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hype button, do all those things everybody tells you to do on YouTube. I've got a drivetrain to figure out. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.